श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासु मनसः सर्वार्थानां वक्रमे नत्वा कृतकृत्यास्य हुतं नमामि गजाननम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुज युग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानबाणमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनं। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीं अक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमं च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा गुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सामे वाग्देवतैव निवसतुवदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविता शाखा वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः। शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को नयाति पराङ्गतिं। यः पिबन्ति सततं रामचरितामृतसागरमतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसं कल्मषं। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशमशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलिलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं। मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीद साक्षात् रामायणात्मना तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं। दशशिरसश्च वदं निशामयद्वं मानिषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाह यत्क्रौञ्च मिथुनादेकम्। आवधीहि काममोहितम् आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरध्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम्। अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं। रामं भजे श्यामलं वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादकोनेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं। रामं भजे श्यामलं गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरदनुवनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियाया कापाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां मृजितपदरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां। वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्याः प्रियविरहरुषारोपितभ्रूविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिः भद्रसेतुः कलदवदघनः कौसलेन्द्रो वतन्नः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। As a kavyam, as an epic poem, Ramayana has in it all the various rasas. Shokarasa is quite predominant in Ramayana. Veera Rasam is there when Rama battles the Rakshasas and destroys them. Ascharya Rasam is there when we look at how Rama is able to playfully lift the bow up and destroy it, or how he can single-handedly dispatch 14,000 Rakshasas in Panchavati. Hasya Rasam is there when we heard Kaikeyi talk to Manthara about how she was the best hunchback in the world. And later when Shurpanaka is going to come, also there is going to be Hasya Rasam, humor, fun. Karunya Rasa, compassion, it will be seen repeatedly when Rama sends Jatayu on to higher lokas, and Karunya Rasam, Sita's piteous cries, Karunya Rasam. Shoka Rasam, the rasa of sorrow, pathos plays a very predominant role in Ramayana. With all of these surrounding there, but the pathos goes along throughout Ramayana. So if you want to enjoy Ramayana as a kavyam, then yes, we can dwell upon all of these scenes, such as the one that we are looking at currently, Dasharatha and Kaikeyi, and the sorrow and the sorrowful wails and the piteous wails filling pages after pages of Dasharatha crying and lamenting. Anna, we are doing Ramayana to enjoy Rama. From the beginning, our motto, our mission has been Karpari Ramabhiranai Allal Matrum Karparo. We have come here to enjoy Rama Guna Ramanubhavam. Adanala, while the Kavya gives importance to the Shokarasa of Dasharatha and Kaikeyi, because we want to enjoy Rama, we will quickly fast forward and bring Rama into the picture. But because Valmiki Bhagavan has spent so much time creating this scene, we paid respects to it by all of yesterday. We paid respect to that scene by going into it into some detail. But however, we will quickly proceed past the drama to Rama. Drama irukku ana namakku venungiradhu Rama da. Inside drama also we should be able to find out Rama only. So directly we will go on. The whole night passes with Dasharatha crying and wailing and praying to Kaikeyi. She refuses to give in. In the end he says, I disown you. I disown you. You and your son I disown. You are no longer my wife, he is no longer my son. He becomes silent. The night passes. The next morning, Vashishta presents himself early in the morning at the place where the pujas have to be done, the homa has to be done, where Rama has to be coronated as the crown prince. He is ready, everything is ready, he is supervising everything, making sure everything is in place. He is very happy to see everything in place. All the others are also assembling. Sumantra also has come there. The king has not yet come. Adanala, Vashishta looks at Sumantra and says, the king should be here by now. Why is the king not come? Can you find out what is happening? Ask him to hurry up. So Sumantra goes straight to Kaikeyi's chambers, which is where the king would be. And when he goes in, he sees the king in a very pitiable plight. What is happening? Kaikeyi says, the whole night he has not been able to sleep because of the excitement of Rama's coronation. He was not able to sit quietly because tomorrow is Rama's coronation. In the excitement of it, he has not been able to sleep. You go and bring Rama here. You fetch Rama here. He wants to see Rama. You bring Rama here. Kula adichu vidra. Sumantra Raja Rajaneem Rama Harsha Samutsukaha Prajagara Parishranto Nidraya Vasham Upeyavan. The whole night he was so excited about Rama's coronation, he could not sleep, therefore he is sleeping in a little bit today. He is asleep now. But you bring Rama. He stands there still, Sumantra, how can I go without receiving king's permission? King, yes, bring Rama. Go bring Rama. Again the Serin Chavdi goes straight to Rama's palace. And everywhere there is beautiful decoration all over the place. The big elephant Shatrunjaya, which was Dasharatha's main elephant, name of the elephant itself is Shatrunjaya, one which will conquer the enemies, will become victorious over enemies. And the elephant is ready there because after the coronation, Rama has to climb onto the elephant and go on a procession. Elephant is ready, everything is ready. Horses, chariots. Again, there Sumantra goes in. We've already seen Rama has finished his night's vrata, etc., and is ready. At the path only, we first saw how Rama was ready. Then we saw how Ayodhya got ready. Then we saw how Kaikeyi became ready. Then we saw how the night passed with Dasharatha crying. Now all of the things are coming together. All pages have come together. Now everybody is on the same time zone. Rama is sitting there. तं वैश्रवण संकाश उपविष्टौ स्वलंकृतम् ददर्श सूतः पर्यंके सौवर्णे सोत्तरच्छदे. வைஸ்ரவண சங்காசம் குபேரன் மாதிரி உட்கார்ந்து இருக்காராம் ராமர். Rama sitting there like Kubera. Sita is standing by his side. Rama is well dressed, swalankritam, well adorned. Varagarudiraabhena suchina cha sugandhina anuliptam parardhyena chandanena parantapam. Adorned with pure fragrant sandalwood paste. Sthitaya parshvataschapi valavyajanahaस्तया उपेतौ सीतया भूयश्चित्रया सशिनौ यथा. And standing by the side is Sita. Sita is fanning him with the valavyajana. Valavyajana அப்படின்னா இந்த பெரிய ஒரு ஒரு ஃபேன் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் யாக்ஸ் டெய்லம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. அத வால் வால அப்படின்னா டெய்ல், அதனால வாலவ்யஜன அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. சீதா ஸ்டாண்டிங் பை த சைட் ஃபேனிங் Rama as he is sitting waiting to be invited, waiting to be called. சாமரம் வீசின் இருக்கா. Sumantra goes there and looking at Rama he says Kausalya Supraja Rama Pita Tvam Drashtumichchati Mahisha Saha Kaikeya Gamyatam Tatramachiram. Oh Kausalya's wonderful son Rama, the king is waiting to see you. Your father is waiting to see you along with Kaikeyi. Please go there where Kaikeyi is waiting in the Kaikeyi's chambers. Abdini he tells Rama. Rama looks at Sita and he says, Appa is calling me. I'm sure father and mother Kaikeyi are discussing something to do good for me. Children, I'm sure they're discussing something to do with the upcoming coronation. Ammaku Kaikeyi sa prahrishta maharajau hitakaamanuvartini janani chartakama me kekayadipate suta. Kaikeyi, the Kekaya Raja's daughter, our mother Kaikeyi is always interested in doing some good or the other to me. No, I'm sure that she is asking my father to do something extra on top of what he has already decided to do. Dishtya kalu maharajo mahishya priyaya sakha sumantram prahino dutam vartakamakaram mama. It is our great good fortune that our father and our mother are together discussing how to do the greatest good to me, and they have sent Sumantra here as a messenger. For the king and the queen, a worthy counsel, for them they have chosen a worthy messenger in the form of Sumantra. Adanala, I will immediately go there. You wait here, Sita. I will go and find out and come. I am sure there is some other process, some other ritual, some other procedure to be done, to be completed. That is why father is calling me, or I am sure mother is wanting to do some good to me. I will go finish it and come. Abdinju. Udane Sita follows Rama. Rama leaves behind Sumantra. Sita follows him to the doorstep. I am sure the king is going to bestow upon you the great title. I'll be delighted when I see you come back as appointed and anointed. Adanala, let all the gods protect you. Let everybody Purvam Disham Vajradharo Dakshinam Patute Yamaha Varuna Paschimam Asham Danesha Suttaram Disham. Let Indra protect you on the east, let Yama protect you on the south, let Varuna protect you in the west, and let Kubera protect you in the north. Abdini, she invokes the Lokapalas. Ashtadikpalakas are there, 8 directions, 8 Dikpalakas are there. Dikpalaka abdina the protector of the direction abdina artham. Even in our house during Graha Pravesha, when you do a Vastu Puja, you have to go in all the directions and do a Bali. Indranaku or Bali. There are 8 Dikpalakas. If you go around Arunachala, the mountain, you will find 8 lingams all around. Those 8 lingams correspond to the 8 Dikpalakas. Ashtadikpalakas, each one is a lingam. Indralingam will be in the east, Yamalingam in the south, Varunalingam in the west, Kuberalingam in the north. I mean the directions. That is Agnilingam, Vayulingam, these are the quarters, northeast, Ishanalingam. Southeast Agnilingam, northeast Ishanalingam, southwest Vayulingam, Nirithilingam. Totally there are 8 such Dikpalakas. They are looking after all the directions. Adanal Sita invokes the 4 for the 4 cardinal directions. May Indra protect you in the east, may Yama protect you from the south, may Varuna protect you from the west, and may Kubera protect you from the north. Apni choli anupara. For Ramar vella varar. Eppadi vella varar apna? Parvatadiva nishkramya simho giriguhashayah. Parvatadiva nishkramya simho giriguhashayah. Mari malai mulanjal mannikkedandurangum Siriya Singam Arivutra Thivizhitha Veri Vairvanga Yappadum Pendudari Moodinamirundu Mulangi Purappattu Parvatadiva Nishkramya. From a big mountain, there is a cave inside the mountain. From inside that mountain cave, a lion emerges out. How does that lion emerge out? That is how Rama comes out. Rama emerges out of his palace, of his inner rooms, and அது எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அப்படி ஒரு சிம்ம நடையோட வரார் ராமர். With a lion's gait, with the majesty of a lion, he walks out. அதுதான் ஆண்டாள் அழகா சொல்றாம், ஆரி மலைமொழிஞ்சில் மன்னி கிடந்துறங்கும் சீரிய சிங்கம் அறிவுற்ற தீவிழித்து வேரி மயிர்வங்க எப்பாடும் பேருந்து உதறி மூறி நிமிர்ந்து முழங்கி புறப்பட்டு போதருமா போலேனி பூவை பூவண்ணா உன் கோவில் நின்றங்களே போந்தருளி கோப்புடைய சீரிய சிம்ஹாசனத்திலிருந்து யாம் வந்த காரியம் ஆராய்ந்து அருளேலோர் எம்பாவாய். அதுக்கு இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் இங்க இருந்து வருது போல் இருக்கு. பர்வதாதிவ நிஷ்கிரம்ய சிம்ஹோ கிரி குகாஷயா அப்படின்னு பகவான் comes out. வந்த நாளைக்கு as soon as he comes out, யார் இருக்கான்னா வெளியில லக்ஷ்மணா is waiting. லக்ஷ்மணோ துவாரிசோ பஷ்யத் பிராஞ்சலிபுடோ ஸ்திதோ. அங்க அப்படி கை ஓபன். Lakshmana is waiting like this. As soon as the door opened, Lakshmana didn't go like this. Lakshmana is waiting like this, who knows for how long. As it is early in the morning. அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்து Lakshmana is standing like this outside the door. அண்ணா நீ கதவு திறந்த உடனே அண்ணா கதவு திறந்த உடனே முதல் தர்ஷன் அப்படி காத்துட்டு இருக்கார். He is waiting like this. லக்ஷ்மணோ துவாராசிசோ லக்ஷ்மணோ துவாரிசோ பஷ்யத் பிரக்வாஞ்சலிபுடோ ஸ்திதம். அதுக்கு மேல when he walks about little further, all his friends, everybody is waiting there, all the well-wishers are all there, they are all waiting. Rama says, அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு நேர கடகடன்னு he gets on to the chariot. Father is called to him, he gets on to the chariot, நேர போறார். Lakshmana also gets on to the same chariot, he holds the umbrella, the royal umbrella on top of Rama's head. அது தான் பிடிச்சிட்டு இப்படி போறார். Again, as Rama is going, all the people of Ayodhya, everybody is gathering in here, everybody is walking towards the coronation place. Suddenly, பார்த்தா ஒரு chariot. யாருன்னு பார்த்தா ராமா. ராமர். பகவான் Rama is going. எல்லாரும் பார்க்கறாங்க. Rama is going. எல்லாரும் பார்க்கறா. Everybody is looking at Rama. Men, women, everybody is looking at Rama. எல்லாரும் சொல்றா. When all the women, when they are looking at Rama, they are all saying, Nunao nandati te mata kaushalya matranandana pashyanti siddhyatram vam pitrayam rajyam avasthitam. All the women are empathizing with Kausalya and saying how happy Kausalya should be. We are also happy how happy Kausalya should be on this day that you are going to take over the reins of Ayodhya. All the older women are thinking, All the elderly women are thinking how happy Kausalya must be. All the younger women are thinking how happy Sita must be. Sarva Seemantinibhyascha Sita Seemantini Varam. Amallan children, aha, Sita is the most fortunate. Where Rama is hearing all of these, the ladies are all uttering this loudly to Rama. Rama is listening to all of this as he is going. Ellaru santoshama are looking at everybody's joy. All the people are loudly crying out. Today Rama is going to become our Yuvaraja. He will become our protector. He will take care of all of us. If Rama becomes the king, there will be no sorrow anywhere. Nothing unpleasant will be there anywhere. Everybody is calling out like this. And only now Rama has come out. Rama has been inside, so he is looking at the beauty of Ayodhya. All of Ayodhya has dressed herself, decked herself out in order to welcome Rama's ascent to the throne. Everybody is standing there. All of Ayodhya itself seems to be shining with beauty and radiance that day. And all of his friends, his well-wishers, they are also coming along with him. Hamallamu, they are all flattering him, they are all saying wonderful words today. Today, by ruling over the kingdom, we will all be very happy. If only we can see Rama today upon the throne, we do not see anything else. Yadi Vashyama Niryantam Ramam Rajye Pratishtitahu Alamadhyagi Bhuktena Paramarther Alamchanaha. If we see Rama today upon the throne, there is nothing more beyond that we need to see. Our life itself has been fulfilled. Everybody is saying. Ana Raman எப்படி இருக்கார் அப்படினா இதான் அழகு நமக்கு ராமர் தானே நம்ம அனுபவிக்க வந்திருக்கோம். Everybody is happy. All the people are happy. All the people are saying all of these extraordinary warm words praising him. Atmasampujanish. Atmasampujani வார்த்தைகள் எல்லாம் சொல்றான். அவர் அப்படி புகழ்ந்துண்டு they are all praising Rama. Etascha anyascha suhrudamudasinah katashubhaha atmasampujanishunvan yayau ramo maghapatam. Rama is passing along on the highway. Everybody is praising Rama. Ana Rama eppadi irkar appadina udasinaha, indifferent. Absolutely indifferent to all of that. If Rama becomes the king today, there is nothing more for us to do. We will be completely accomplished. Rama Prasamar Udasinaha. Sugradam Yeta Anyascha, these and other words, Atma Sampujani, Shubhakataha, all these words that are all favorable to him, praising him, flattering him, to all of that, he is listening to everything. Shrinvan, but listening to everything. How is it? Udasinaha, he is indifferent. Discards everything. Chumma vartha. Chumma vartha. Yen, or excitement, எல்லாரும் அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவா. In a moment of excitement, of course, we will all say all of these things. If I see Rama crowned on the throne, I will not want anything else. I don't want anything else. I will desire leave us just like that. Excitement. Paramajnani இல்லையா ராமர்? ஒரு பாவம் தானே இதெல்லாம். பாவ உத்சுகம், ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ராடினரி excitement of the moment. In that momentary excitement, people say all kinds of things. நிறைய நம்மளே கேட்டிருக்கோம். We ourselves have heard a lot of it. After a very powerful pravachan, they will come and say, this is life turning. I cannot go back to living my life the same way anymore. This is so life transforming. From tomorrow, for 2 days it will be there. After slowly it will fizzle away. They will go back to where they were. We should not take it seriously. If we come home and tell everybody, you know what they said? They have transformed, it seems. If I should go and report, I'll be the fool. Another excitement. Annikku oru bhavam appadi irundhirukka avadukku paavam. Enna pandrathu? They were not in control of their bhava. Therefore, whatever came to their minds and thoughts, they just they blurted everything out. But what? It's okay. At least good. At least that it was there in lips nu sollikalam. அது போகணும் அப்படின்னா திருப்பி நித்தியம் ஒன்று சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கணும். If really speaking it should go அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? இற்றைக்கும் ஏழு பிறவிக்கும் உந்தன்னோடுற்றோமையாவோ உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்சைவோம் மற்ற நம் காமங்கள் மாற்று அப்படின்னு கேட்கணும். எண்ணே நிவற்றை என்னுயிரே எண்ணம் எதுவோ அதிசைவாய் கண்ணே உந்தன் கழலினையில் காதல் பெருக்கே தருவாயே அப்படின்னு நித்தியம் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கணும். Constantly one has to keep on saying, no matter how many words I have, Bhagavane, I am yours, let me only be for you, let me not do anything else but think about you, serve you, let all other kinds of desires be removed from me. If we are constantly meditating, if all the time we are saying, I will not think of anything else other than you, you do as you please with me, but let me have only pure love for you. If you are doing a japa of that every day, then perhaps, japa manna poradu, if you are anusandhanam pannanum, if you are contemplating upon that, if you are recognizing the meaning of it, and if you are wholeheartedly praying to the Lord to do that, then perhaps those words can be taken seriously. Another Rama is listening to all of this. Udasinana point irukar Ramar. But that doesn't mean he is ignoring everybody. He is not ignoring anybody. He is responding to everybody. போறவாள்ல எப்படி எப்படி இருக்காளோ எல்லாருக்கும் ஆசீர்வாதால் பகூன் ஷ்ருண்வன் சுஹுர்த்ரே சமுதீரிதாம் யதார்ஹௌ சாபி சம்பூஜ்ய சர்வானேவ நரான் யயௌ. He is going, எப்படி பண்றாரு? They are all saying, he is listening to all of that. And as appropriate he is responding to them. Vaishanava வந்து சொன்னான்னா, if elderly people come and say Rama அப்படினா உடனே கை கூப்பி. If youngsters his age come and say today you are going to become the king, not. Other people come just to look. அப்படியா each person as appropriate to their station, as appropriate to their position, he responds to them and he goes. He does not ignore them, but he is indifferent to their words of excitement. But people are all constantly looking at him. Nobody is able to take their eyes away from him. Nahi tasman manak kaschit chakshushi va narottamat narashaknotyapakristam atikrante pi ragave. Even after Raghava is passing by them, atikrante api, even when he is passing by them, they are still looking in the same direction, like sunflowers changing the direction to keep in line with the sun's movement. Like that, they are also looking at Rama passing by. यश्च रामं न पश्येत्तु यं च रामो न पश्यति निन्दितः सर्वलोकेषु स्वात्माप्येनं विगर्हते. यश्च रामं न पश्येत्तु यश्च रामं न पश्येत्तु यं च रामः न पश्यति. He who does not see Rama and he who is not seen by Rama. அவளை சொல்லிக்கிறாளாம், he who does not see Rama and he who is not in turn seen by Rama. Yes, cha Ramam na pashyatu, he whom Rama does not see. Yancha Ramo na pashyate, and he who does not see Rama. Nindita sarva lokeshu, will be criticized by the whole world. Swatma pyenam vigargate, they feel disgusted about themselves also. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிறாளாம், let us all look at Rama. If everybody is looking at Rama, Rama crossed over across the main roads and reached Dasharatha's palace where there was the adjoining quarters of Kaikeyi's chambers. Anga nera pora goes into Kaikeyi's chamber. Rama goes inside, everybody else waits outside, and everybody cannot go inside the Antapuram. Ella velila irka, Lakshmanan pora, amma dane anal, appa amma angiradhanal two brothers can go. Everybody else is waiting. எப்படி வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா அப்படின்னா, தஸ்மின் பிரவிஷ்டே பிதுரந்திகம் ததா ஜனஸ்ஸ சர்வோ முதிதோ நிருபாத்மஜே பிரதீக்ஷதே தஸ்ய புனஸ்ம நிர்கமம் யதோதயம் சந்திர சரசரிபதி சரித்பதிஹி. Tasmin pravishte piturantikam tada, and as Rama entered into the inner chambers to go to his father, tada janassa sarvo mudito nipatmaje, all the other people very happily they were waiting, pratikshate, they were waiting for him to come back again. Tasya punasma nirgamam, how are they waiting now? Yato dayo chandramasa saritpatihi, just as people wait, they go to the beach. On a full moon night, they go to the beach and they wait for the moon to rise up from the ocean, like that everybody is waiting. And the full moon-like face of Rama to see it, they are all waiting. How is Rama entering into the chamber? With the full moon-like face he is entering. Raka Chandra Samanana Ram Pitrubhakya Shritapalana Ram. Raka Chandra Samananan. Like the big full autumnal full moon, Sharat Chandrana Madri, Bukatoda, Rama has gone inside. Everybody is waiting to see Rama come back. The moon-like face of Rama to come out again. Everybody is waiting outside. Rama has gone inside. As soon as he goes inside, the first thing his eyes see is father looking very wretched with a pale face. Rama does not say anything. He first goes there, salutes his father first. Sa Pitrus Charano Purvam Abhivadya Vinitavat, very humbly, with a lot of humility, he goes and first falls at his father's feet, and then Tato Vavande Charanau Kaikeya Susamahitaha. Then, with equally composed reverential humility, he falls at the feet of Kaikeyi. Rameti Yuktva tu Vachanam Bashpaparyakulekshanaha. The king's eyes were filled with tears. All he could say was Rama. Rama. Rama on his part has never seen the king like this. What happened to a father? He has never been like this. Why is he looking like this? Why is he looking so distraught today? He should be happy. On the other hand, why is he looking like this? Have I committed some mistake? Is Rama angry with me for some reason? Have I unknowingly done something? Why is he perturbed like this? Why does he not reciprocate my greeting in the usual way? What is wrong? If he looks at his mother Kaikeyi and he says, have I done something wrong? Why is father in this state? What happened? Why is he in a dejected mood? Amma, can you not pacify him? Can you not tell him that even if I have displeased him, he should forgive me? In fact, if I have truly displeased him, then I do not even wish to live anymore. Is everything alright? Has something befallen Bharata or Shatrughna who are living away? What has happened? Please tell me what is the cause. Kaikeyi says, in the Raja Kupito Rama, Vyasanam Nasti Kinchana. King is not angry with you, nor is any misfortune befallen any of us. Everything is alright. There is something that he needs fulfilled, needs done, you alone can do it for him. You alone can do it for him. Whatever the king says, whether it is pleasant or unpleasant, I will tell you everything, I will relate everything to you. If you do not transgress his words, if you will obey his words, then I will tell you everything. King on his own will not say. Now children, I can tell you. Raja himself, Dasharatha Maharaja himself, your father cannot open his mouth and say what he has to say. It is a bit unpleasant. But if you promise me that you will definitely obey his words, then I will tell you. When she says this, Rama listens to these words. Ye tattu vachanam shrutva Kaikeyasu samudahritam uvacha vyatito ramastam devim nripasannido. Vyatitahan. Rama became very depressed, very sad. With sorrow in his heart and his voice, he tells Kaikeyi, Aho dik narkase devi vaktum mam idrisham vachaha Akam ki vachanadhrajnaka pateyam apipavake Bhakshayeyam visham tikshno Majyeyam apijarnave Niyukto guruna pitra nripena cha hitena cha Tadbruhi vachano devi rajnyo yadabhikangshitam Karishye pratijane cha Ramo dvirna bibashate. Aho dik, alas, what a pity. O Queen Devi, you are saying words that you should not be saying to me. If the king orders so, if my father orders so, then I can jump into the fire, I can consume the deadliest poison, I can jump into the ocean if he so commands. Therefore tell me whatever it is that he wants. Whatever is it that he desires, you tell me. Karishye pratijane, I will do it. Ramo dvirna bibhashate, Rama does not speak twice. ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் ராமாயணத்துல. ராமோ த்விர்னா அபிபாஷதே அப்படின்னு. Twice I will not have to say this something. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா, if I say I will do it, I will do it தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் I will not come up with an excuse to say I know I told you I will do it but sorry. கிடையாது, சொல்லியாச்சு தான். தத் ப்ரூஹி வச்சனம் தேவி. அதுக்காக என்ன வேணாலும் பண்றேன். I am ready to do anything. When I am ready to jump into the fire or jump into the ocean or drink the deadliest poison, என்ன what is going to be there that I cannot do? Whatever it is you tell me, karishye, I shall do it. Pratijane promise பண்றேன் நான். I promise you. Karishye pratijane cha Ramo dvirna vibhashate. Abdina, when Rama says this, now Kaikeyi is very convinced. Now she can say her words. Yenna satyavadinam அப்படினா ஆர்ஜவசமாயுக்தம் சத்யவாதினம் தமார்ஜவசமாயுக்தம் அனார்யா சத்யவாதினம் உவாச்ச ராமம் கைகேயி வசனம் விஷதாருணம். ஆர்ஜவசமாயுக்தம் அப்படினா அப்படியே is devoted to straightforwardness, to truth, to honesty, to integrity. Knowing that this is the nature of Rama, she says, there's an old story, long time ago when I accompanied your father to a war between the Devas and the Asuras. At that time your father was injured, I saved him, I protected him. At that time he wanted to offer me 2 boons. I did not seek anything at that time. I said, you keep it with you, I will take it later. Now I have asked for those 2 boons. For with 1 boon I want the consecration of Bharata upon the throne. Tatra me yachito raja Bharatasya abhishechanam gamanam dandakaranye tavacha adyaiva raghava. 1 boon, the coronation of Bharata. The 2nd boon, today itself you should go to Dandakaranya. Innike Dandakaranya போணும். यदि सत्य प्रतिज्ञम त्वं पितरम कर्तुमिच्छसि आत्मानं च नरश्रेष्ठ मम वाक्यमिदं शृणु सन्निदेशे पितुस्तिष्ठ यथा तेन प्रतिश्रुतं त्वयारण्यं प्रविष्टेयं नववर्षाणि पञ्च च. Therefore, hey Rama, if you want to make your father's word come true, both the words that you have given me, you said you will promise to do whatever father said. So therefore, to keep up your words and also to make your father's words come true, you have got to go today itself to the forest for 14 years. Bharata will be consecrated with the same arrangements that have been made to consecrate you. Bharata will be enthroned instead. You will give up this consecration. Tadarte vigitam rajna tena sarvena raghava. Ellathiyum vittu sapta cha varshani dandakaranyamashritah. For 7 and 7 years you should go to Dandakaranyam. Nana maths seriyadhu kaamikira. 9 plus 5 7 plus 7 அப்படிலாம் சொல்லி காமிக்கிறா. எல்லாம் தெரியும் எனக்கு அப்படி. முதல்ல 9 plus 5 years இப்போ 7 plus 7 years அப்படிங்கிறா. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் விட்டா அப்புறம் 2 times 7 7 times 2 அப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லுவா போல் இருக்கு. சப்த வருஷாணி தண்டகாரண்யமாசித அபிஷேகம் இவம் தெக்த்வா ஜட்டாஜனதரோவச. Give up this Rajabhishekam, instead go to the forest wearing the skin of an antelope with the jata, with the matted locks. You should go and live in the forest. Let Bharata live in Ayodhya. This is what he wants, and the reason why he is sad is because he does not want to say this to you. He does not want to tell these unpleasant words to you. That is why he is so sad. Anna, hey Raghunandana, you alone can keep up. Etat kuru narendrasya vachanam Raghunandana satyena magatarama tarayasva nareshwaram. Save your father. You ought to save your father because your father is drowning in the possibility of becoming a liar, because he does not want to tell you this, but if he doesn't tell you this, then he will be going against the word he has given to me. Adanal, it is in your hands alone to save your father from eternal infamy. Go to the forest today. அப்படினு சொன்னா. இதி வதஸ்யாம் பருஷம் வதந்த்யாம் நச்சைவ ராம பிரவிவேஷ சோகம். Even though she was saying all of these cruel words on nachaiva rama pravivesha shokam, Rama was not at all aggrieved by any of these words. Tadapriya mamitragno vachanam maranopamam. These words that are equal to a death sentence. Yen death sentence அப்படின்னா, in those days only a person that had committed heinous crimes was exiled to the forest. நாடு கடத்துறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா அவள. Being banished, being exiled அப்படின்னா it must have been a very unforgivable crime that he must have committed. Only then he is to be discarded like that. அதனால for a man who was born in a kingdom in the royal family like Rama, a man who has always observed dharma, to be given such a punishment is equal to death. அதனால தத் அப்ரியம் அமித்ரக்னோ வசனம் மரணோபமம். These kind of apriyam, unpleasant words that were equal to death, shrutva, listening to this also, na vivyate Ramaha. Rama was not at all grieved even a little bit, not at all distressed. Kaikeyim chedam abravit. He is telling these following words to Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi is given a big build up. She has the whole night, she has endured a lot of drama. Now she is ready, waiting to see what is going to come from Rama. And Rama get no drama. What does Rama say abhinna? Evamastu gamishyami vanam vastumaham tvitaha jata jinadaro rajnyaha pratignyam avladane. Is that all? Is that all? Evamastu, so be it. Evamastu, seri abhi out mein, so be it. Gamishyami vanam, I will go to the forest. I will go to the forest. Vastumakam tvitaha. Itaha, ingerante epdiye porene. From here itself I will go to the forest. Enna periya vishayam. I will go to the forest from Ayodhya. Jata jinadaro rajnya pratignyam anubalayan. In order to fulfill the words of my father, the king, wearing the matted locks upon my head, I will go and live in the forest. Idhil enna periya irukku. Evamastu, idhukku avla kashtapadranum. idam tujyatum ichchami kimartam mam mahipatiki nabhinandati durdarsho yata purvamarindamaha. Idukagava, is this for this sake that the king is in this such a sorrowful, pitiable plight that he does not even greet me like he always used to do when I came in? I want to know, why does he not greet me? Manyurna cha tvaya karyo devi brumi tavagrataha yasyami bhava suprita vanu chirajadadaraha. Rama immediately understood everything. Understand mani enna irukku illaya? I want Bharata to be the king. The reason why I have to go to the forest is because Bharata should become the king. The only person who wants Bharata to be the king is Kaikeyi, being his natural mother. He understood everything and he said, oh, so she is unhappy that I am becoming the king. Cheri. He tells her, Manyur nachatvaya karyaka. Amma, you need not be angry. You need not be angry or depressed or sorrowful. Karyo devi brumitavagrataka. You should not be sorrowful. I will tell you in front of you, I declare in your presence, yasyami bhava suprita vanam chira jatadaraka. I shall go to the forest, bhava suprita, you be happy. Amma, you don't have to feel sad, you be happy, I will go to the forest. Yen abdinna hitena guruna pitra kritagnyena nrupena cha nuyujyamano visrabdaka kimna kuryamaham priyam. Who is ordering me to go to the forest? Who is the person who is ordering me to go to the forest now? Hitena guruna kritagnyena nrupena cha pitra. Yaar, enga appa, my father. My father is asking me to go to the forest. Who is my father abdina? Guruna, he is also my guru. Kritagnyena, he is a very grateful person who knows what to do. Hitena, he is always my well-wisher. When such a person is asking me to do something, then gladly I will do it. What pleases him, I will do without any hesitation. What is there in that? Anal, however, there's only one thing that is still paining me and grieving me. Alikam manasam tvekam hridayam dakhativa me. There is one thing that is burning my heart. I am feeling very sad. Yenna swayam yannahamam raja bharatasya abhishechano. Why did the king not tell me about this? If this is what needs to happen, abdinna enga appa sollirukkalame, dey Rama, I want Bharata to be the king da. I've changed my mind. I want Bharata to be the king. Abdini appa had told me, aham hi sitam rajyam cha prananishtan dhanani cha hrishto bratre swayam dadyam Bharataya prachoditaha. For the sake of Bharata, I will gladly give up everything. the kingdom, wealth, my coveted life, even Sita, if necessary, I will give to Bharata. Bharatan வேணும்னு கேட்டா எல்லாத்தையும் பரதனுக்கு இல்லாமையா? Why should I not give to Bharata? Aham hi Sitam, me and Sita will give up everything for the sake of Bharata. எல்லாத்தையும் விட்டு கொடுத்துருவோம். We will give everything up for Bharata. For his sake, we will give up anything. இதுல என்ன இருக்கு? What is there to worry about it? You console him. Why is he still not talking to me? Why is he still looking at the ground and crying? Why is he still shedding tears? Amma, you do one thing. Immediately you send messengers to go to Bharata's maternal uncle's house. Mama, you send all of that. Bring Bharata back so that Bharata can be crowned. As for me, I will go to the forest and live there for 14 years. There என்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, the moment she heard, Kaikeyi heard Rama saying, alright, I will go to the forest, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்துச்சு. She became very happy. Sa Krishta tasya tadvakyam shrutva Ramasya Kaikeyi prasthanam shraddha dana hi tvaraya masa raghavam evam bhavatu yasyanti duta shigra javairhayaihi bharatam matulakulad upavartayitum naraka tavatvam tvaham kshamam manye नोत्सुकस्य विलंबनम राम तस्मादित शीघ्रम वनम त्वम गंतुमर्हसि. I became very happy. You don't worry about all of that, Rama. I will take care. I will make sure that fast horses are sent to bring Bharata back. You quickly go to the forest first. All that we will take care of. You don't worry about all of that. You make preparations to go. You have got to go to the forest quickly. As to why father is not able to speak to you, out of shame, nothing other than the Caesar. Out of shame, he is not able to read on with us. He is embarrassed to tell you. How can he, as a father, how can he tell you to go to the forest? He cannot say. You don't worry about it. All that you don't worry. In fact, you know what is the best thing for you to do? The sooner you go to the forest, the better it will be for your father. Yenna yavatvam na vanam yataha puradasmad abhitvaran pita tavan nate rama snasyate bhokshate apiva. Your father will keep sitting here in the same state. He will not take a bath, he will not eat, he will not do anything as long as you are around. The sooner you go to the forest, the better it is for your father. Kalamb. Go quickly. அப்படின்னு கைகேயி said these words. All this while the king has not said anything. The only thing he opened his mouth and said was, Ha Rama. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he was crying when Rama came. But when he heard these words, the ungrateful words of Kaikeyi, Rama is ready to go to the forest. He says, I will go to the forest. Out of concern, he says, you do one thing, Amma. You bring Bharata quickly so that, அப்படின்னு. Kaikeyi was afraid. If Rama is still here when Bharata comes, we do not know what Bharata will do. The best thing is to get Rama out of the picture before Bharata is brought in. Adanalda she is saying, you go quickly, get out quickly. At the Dasharatha could not bear it anymore. Dikkashtamiti nishvasya raja shoka pariplutaka. Dikkashtam, alas, what a pity. Fine, what a calamity. He fell down from the couch. Rama understood everything. Rama is looking at everything. Rama is understanding how hard his father is finding, how he has been forced into this corner, and in spite of it, Kaikeyi is still asking him to go. Rama rushed to pick up Dasharatha and help him back to his couch. At the same time, he was filled with sorrow. How was he? Like a horse being whipped to run faster and faster. And the Mother Kaikeyi's words, she is using her words to whip Rama. Go to the forest quickly. Go to the forest quickly. Go to the forest quickly. He did not feel sad. Rama did not feel sad. If at all any sorrow, father is falling like this in their sorrow. Not sorrow on the words of Kaikeyi. Even though she is using her words to whip him to go to the forest, she is not saddened about it. तदप्रियमनार्याया वचनो दारुणोदयो श्रुत्वा गतव्यतो Rama is still calm. Gatavyataha. There is no restlessness in him. There is no agitation in him. This is the great guna of Rama in which we have got to simply stand here stunned and look at it. Imagine our plight. Imagine us in a position like that. If somebody is saying something like this to us in a cruel and harsh way, a cruel thing to be done to us, and that too is delivered to us in a cruel way, how will we, at least will we not be shaken up a little bit? We've been planning something, and all of a sudden the plans are withdrawn, they're taken away. But not only are they withdrawn and taken away, it is being delivered to us in a very cruel way. Bada, get up! Abhinuta. Shri, Nanna of the Shalalamolyo, I'm going. But at least you can say nicely. Why are you yelling at me? Hamlinadu will we not retort? At least, minimum. Again and again, like a horse being whipped, Kaikeyi is using these words and telling Rama literally get out quickly அப்படிங்கிறா. இருந்தாலும் கதவ்யதஹ ராமக்கு ஒரு there is no agitation in him. அப்படியே calmness. Looking at Kaikeyi, he says these words. Kaikeyim vakyam abravit. But he still feels compelled to say something to Kaikeyi. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, not to praise himself, not to elevate himself, but to assuage her and his father also about his real character. Chumbarahana Vakyam, very beautiful word from Rama. Naham vartaparo devi lokama mutsahe viddhimam rishibhistulyam kevalam dharmamastidam. Naham arthaparo devi lokamavastu mutsahe. Devi, Naham arthaparaha. I am not interested in wealth. Lokamavastu mutsahe. I do not desire to live in this world for the sake of wealth, power, prosperity, etc. You are saying go to the forest, go to the forest. You do not have to tell me to go to the forest. Yenna viddhimam rishibhihi stulyam. Know me to be one equal to the rishis. Na rishima, I am like a rishi அப்படிங்கிறார் ராமர். தானே ஒத்துக்கிறார். He from his own words is saying viddhimam rishibhi stulyam. I am equal to rishis. In what way அப்படின்னா, கேவலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம். விமலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம்னு இன்னொரு பாட்டம். விமலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம், கேவலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம், ரெண்டு பாட்டம். கேவலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம் அப்படின்னா ஐ எம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் ஒன்லி இன் தர்மா, ஐ எம் லிவிங் ஒன்லி ஃபார் தர்மா. கேவலம் அப்படின்னா தி ஒன் அண்ட் ஒன்லி திங்னு அர்த்தம், கைவல்யம்னு அர்த்தம், மோக்ஷான்னு அர்த்தம். மோக்ஷ தர்மமாஸ்திதம்னு அர்த்தம், ஐ எம் ஒன்லி லிவிங் ஃபார் த சேக் ஆஃப் மோக்ஷா. விமலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம், விமலமான தர்மம் அப்படின்னா சன்னியாச தர்மம். விமல தர்மா அப்படின்னா மலா அப்படின்னா ஸ்டெயின், பொல்யூஷன். விமலா அப்படின்னா நோ பொல்யூஷன் வாட்ஸ்எவர், அப்சல்யூட்லி பியூர். 4 ஆசிரமங்கள்ல பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த 4 ஆசிரமாஸ் that are there, only the brahmacharya and the sannyasa ashrama are shuddha ashramas. விமலமான ஆசிரமங்கள் அது ரெண்டும். There is no trace of worldliness in those 2 ashramas. மிச்சம் எல்லாத்துலயுமே வேர்ல்ட்ல தானே இருக்கும். In brahmacharya there is no contact with the world at all. There is only vidyabhyasam in that stage. Anushtanam is there in that stage. It is a very pure state. After giving up everything and remaining in sannyasa ashrama, when everything falls away, all desires have fallen away, all attachments have gone away, naturally gone away. Sannyasa is not something that we adopt. Rather, sannyasa adopts us. Sannyasa is not something that we take. Sannyasa should take over us. அப்படி பண்ணிட்டு அதான் சன்னியாசம். அது என்ன அப்படின்னா, வாட் டஸ் இட் மீன் அப்படின்னா, the day when all our desires have gone, when all our attachments have gone, அப்போ அது சன்னியாசம். அந்த சன்னியாச ஆசிரமா is also there is no trace of worldliness in this அப்படிங்கிறதுனால விமலமான ஆசிரமம், விமலம் தர்மம். சன்னியாச தர்மம் விமல தர்மம். Because there is only one goal in that, moksha is the only goal, liberation is the only goal. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால விமலமாஸ்தித விமலம் தர்மமாஸ்திதம், I am established in that supreme dharma of the Brahman like Brahma Rishis are. Nagam, thankfully for us, because of Kaikeyi goading him, forcing him with her words to run away to the forest, Rama, we get the opportunity to listen to Rama declare this truth about himself. Otherwise, he will not speak about himself very much. Ramo Dvirnabhibhashate. Rama does not have to speak twice. He is establishing his devotion to the truth. The second place now he says, Naham Martaparo Devi. Alpa or kingdom kahavan. I am not interested in this kingdom. I am not interested in this wealth. I am not interested in any of these things. Lokamaavastu mutsahe. I do not have any desire or any enthusiasm to live in this world just for the sake of material prosperity. Worldly gains kaga illa. If at all I take over the reins of the throne, it is only for the sake of protecting dharma vetavara, not for the sake of the power, prosperity and the luxury that are associated with sitting upon the throne as the king of Ayodhya. That has got nothing to do with me. Go to the forest. Now the forest is the natural dwelling place of rishis. That is why Rama is saying this, Vidyamam Rishivistulyam. There is no hesitation in me to go to the forest. On the other hand, I am looking forward to go to the forest because I am misplaced here. Actually speaking, I do not feel at home in the palace because I am like a rishi. The lotus grows in the water. You cannot bring the lotus and plant it in the soil. Likewise, you cannot take a mango and plant it in water. Adadukku or edam irukkum illaya. Ramar solla Vidyamam Rishibistulyam, na rishi. And then the forest, I am equally at home in the forest. Then what about the kingdom? Na Raja Rishi. Adanal I can be in the kingdom also. Adakaha, it is not that after he comes back from 14 years he is going to find himself miserable in the kingdom. Illa, Raja Rishi. Appadina is a kingly rishi. He can be at home wherever he is. Adanal, I am quite happy to go to the forest. You do not have to worry. You do not have to think that I will change my mind or hesitate or feel not willing to go to the forest. Naham Martaparo Devi. I am not interested. Kevalam Dharmamastitam Vimalam Dharmamastitam. I am already established in the Brahman. Thanks to Vasishta teaching me Yoga Vasishtam right in the beginning. Teaching me the highest truth, even though I am living in this world, I am not of this world. I am living in this world, that is alright. I am living in this prapancha, that is alright, but I am not of this world, I am beyond this world. I am above this world. In no way does this world influence me, bother me, enter into me, pollute me, corrupt me. Abdina Rama speaks about himself. Even if I have to give my life for his sake, I will do it. There is no greater dharma for a son than to carry out the orders of his father and serve him. Nahyato dharmacharano kinchidasti mahattaro yata pitari susrusha tastyava vachanakriya. Tande sholmika mandiramilla ina sholva. There is no greater mantra than the words of the father. Therefore, in order to obey my father's words, I am willing to even give up my life. It is the highest dharma. When I claim to follow dharma, then naturally I shall obey the words of my father. To bring joy to the father, to serve the father is the duty of the son. Although my father himself cannot open his mouth and tell me, give this order to me, because you have said it to me, it is the same thing to me. In accordance with your words, I shall go to the forest. Vijane Varshani Chaturdasha Vane Vatsyami. In the uninhabited forest, I shall go and live for 14 years. There is no problem with it. Whether you say it or whether he says it, it is all the same. I shall go and take leave of Sita and my mother. Yaval Mataramapanna Yavat Mataramapnache Sitam Chanu Nayamyahu Tato Adyaiva Gamishyami Dandakana Mahadvanau. Today itself I will go, don't worry. I'll just go take leave from Kausalya my mother and Sita my wife, and I will go to the forest. Please make sure that Bharata rules the kingdom wisely and he serves the father. Make sure that he doesn't forget his duties to serve father. அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். Dasharatha was listening to all of this, is still not able to speak anything. He cries out loudly and swoons, falls into a faint. Rama looks at that, falls at his father's feet, bows down at Kaikeyi's feet also. Kaikeyaschap anaryayaha nishpapata mahadyutihi. The glorious Rama, effulgent Rama, shining Rama, radiant Rama falls at the feet of even the Anarya, Anarya most ignoble, Kaikeyi's feet also, and departs. Again the Vallavara. He comes out of the chambers followed by Lakshmana. Abhishama Rama is coming very quietly. There is no trace of anything inside or outside. Another, the same is not true with Lakshmana. Tam bashpa paripurnakshaha prishtato nujagamaha Lakshmanaga paramakruddaka Sumitra Anandavardhanaha. Delighter of Sumitra, Lakshmana, extremely angry, eyes are filled with burning tears. Follows Rama, follows him in a rage. Rama bought whenever Rama comes out. Rama comes out, he sees outside all the materials, ingredients, vessels, etc. that have been kept ready for the consecration ceremony. Adella Abhishechanikam Bandam Kritva Rama Pradakshinam. Rama goes around all of those holy, auspicious materials and objects. Does a namaskaram to it. Shanair Jagama Sapeksho Drishtim Tatra Vichalayan. He looks at all those things that are placed there. Kannal and Nidikshanam Mandara. Rama looks at all of it. Uru reading is that he looks at all of it. Sarama Abhishechanikam Vandam Kritva Rama Pradakshinam Shanair Jagama Sapeksho Drishtim Tatra Vichalayan. ரெண்டு ரீடிங் இருக்கு. ஒரு ரீடிங்ல he looks at them, in another reading he does not even look at them and goes away. அர்த்தம் பண்ணிக்கிறார். Without even casting any eyes upon them, எல்லாம் இருக்கட்டும், let it all be there. Odin is walking. The people outside still do not know what has happened, and everything has happened behind closed doors. Lakshmana knows because he was inside, he is following Rama out. And when Rama comes out, Nachasya Mahatim Lakshmim Rajya Nasho Pagarshati Loka Kantasya Kantatvat Shita Rashmeri Vakshapa. When he comes out, எப்படி வரார் அப்படின்னா Rama comes out, இங்க அப்படியே அந்த there's a continuity, beautiful poetry la பார்க்கணும்னா in simply in terms of the poetry itself, there is such a beautiful continuity. When Rama went inside, all the people were there waiting for him just as they would wait for the moon to rise from the ocean. அப்படின்னு we saw, and Rama went inside. This is the viewpoint of all the people. See, from the people's viewpoint, they were waiting to see him come back like people would wait for the moon to come. அப்படின்னு this we stopped here. Rama went inside, yeah. Then everything that happened was seen from Rama's eyes, Lakshmana's eyes, Kaikeyi, Dasharatha, etc. Now Rama is coming out. When Rama is coming out, once again all the people are watching. அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியறது அப்படின்னா, once again we are going back to their viewpoint. How do they look அப்படின்னா, நச்சாஸ்ய மகதீம் லக்ஷ்மீம் ராஜ்ய நாசோபகர்ஷதி. The great, the loss of this entire kingdom, Rajya Nashaha, the loss of the kingdom that was supposed to be given to him was taken away. Not only that, he cannot even stay inside the kingdom, he has to go into the forest. அப்படிங்கிற பெரிய ஒரு blow has come to him. ஆனா லோக காந்தஸ்ய காந்தத்வாத் ஷீத ரஷ்மேரிவக்ஷபா. How does he look அப்படின்னா, he looks exactly like the full moon with all of its comeliness, with all of its beauty, with all of its splendor. As the moon coming out, he is looking, it seems. The waxing and the waning of the moon do not affect the moon. The night does not affect the moon. Just because everything is dark does not affect the moon. It does not take away the charm of the moon, rather it adds to the charm of the moon. Likewise, this kingdom going away from him, everything taken away from him, does not harm him in any way. Instead, it adds to the tranquility, the serenity of his face, adds to the charm of his face. As they were waiting to see, so they get to see him. They were waiting for the moon to come out, the moon came out. Navano gantukamasya त्यजतश्च वसुंधरां सर्वलोकादिगस्येव लक्ष्यते चित्तविक्रिया. सर्वलोकादिगस्येव அப்படின்னு ஒரு அழகான வார்த்தை சொன்னான். ராமா न वनं गन्तुकामस्य त्यजतश्च वसुंधरां, he who was ready to go to the forest, giving up this entire kingdom, on his face, on him, न लक्ष्यते चित्तविक्रिया, there was not seen any change of internal being, internal state upon his face. There was no change. चित्तविक्रिया இல்லையாம். சித்தம் அப்படின்னா the mind, the heart. There was no agitation in it. There was no change of mood in him. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, why அப்படின்னா, சர்வலோகாதிகஸ்யேவ, because he has gone beyond the world. சர்வலோக அதிகா, ஆனா வேர்ல்டு தாண்டிட்டு போயிட்டான். ராமா has gone beyond the world. Also he is living inside this world, he is not of this world, and he told earlier, and in the truth of that we are able to see here, these are not mere empty words that he has said there to Kaikeyi in order to keep up his face and then coming here and crying. Illa, and the face la kuda there is no change whatsoever. As he went in, he came out. Nobody outside could even make out that these extraordinary heaven and earth shaking changes have taken place inside. Rama comes out as though nothing has happened, as though some instructions were given to him. He is coming out. The fact that he is going to the forest, vanam gantukamasya, the fact that he is now ready to go to the forest, tyadatascha vasundaram, having given up, renouncing this entire kingdom, none of these are able to be reflected upon his face. அது காரணத்தையும் சொல்றார் வால்மீகி பகவான். gives us the reason also for that, sarvalokatigasyeva. Because he has gone beyond the world, because like a Mahayogi, he has risen above all the dvandvas, the pairs of opposites. Pairs of opposites, ஒரு பக்கம் forest, ஒரு பக்கம் world, the kingdom. He has gone beyond the forest and he has gone beyond the world also. It does not matter to him where he is going to be. When Bhagavan Ramana was asked, why is it that we are not able to recognize that we are not this body, etc., Bhagavan said, because you have not had enough of it. You are not able to go beyond it. Even if there was a slightest desire in Rama's heart to enjoy the kingdom, etc., there would have been a mark in him. There would have been a small unease in him that would say, alas, abdin. Kamban wrote the Tamil Ramayanam, Tamil version of the Ramayanam, and in that, apparently he says these verses about Rama's state of being after listening to Kaikeyi's words that he has got to go to the forest. இப்பொழுது எம்மனோரால் எம்புதற்கெளிதே யாரும் செப்ப அருங்குணந்து ராமன் திருமுகச் செல்வி நோக்கின் கொப்பதே முன்பு பின்பு அவ்வாகாசம் உணரக் கேட்ட அப்பொழுது அலர்ந்த செந்தாமரையினை வென்றதம்மா. அப்பொழுது அலர்ந்த செந்தாமரையினை வென்றதம்மா அப்படின்னா, Brahma's face after listening to the words of Kaikeyi that he has got to go to the forest, திருமுக செல்வி நோக்கின், if you look at the பொலிவு, the beauty of Rama's face, if you look at the radiance of Rama's face after listening to these words which are so hard to listen to from Kaikeyi, எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, அப்பொழுது அலர்ந்த செந்தாமரையினை வென்றதம்மா. The beauty of that face, the radiance of that face, the freshness of that face, it defeats a freshly blossomed lotus, a lotus that has just opened up its petals and blossomed now. அப்பொழுது அலர்ந்த செந்தாமரையினை வென்றது அம்மா அப்படின்னு. கொஞ்சம் கூட ஒரு paleness has not come into it, ஒரு slight downcastness has not come into it. அப்படி வரலையா? அது எப்படி முடியும்? Imagine that we will stop here for today because it is already time, but tomorrow when we come back we will spend time only on this beautiful state of being of Rama. Yes means sthite दुःखेन गुरुनापि विचाल्यते அப்படின்னு பகவான் says in the Gita. Established in that state, not even the greatest sorrow can shake a person. அது என்ன state? How can you accomplish this state? How did Rama shine forth like this freshly blossomed lotus even when such a cruel thing has happened to him? அப்படிங்கிறத தான் we are going to look at it tomorrow. அதனாளைக்கு நம்ம we will see that again, continue again tomorrow. जानकी कांत स्मरणं जय जय राम राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. हरिः ओम तत्सत्. श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणमस्तु.